All right, everybody, here we are in TNT Burger here in Tampa. We're gonna go ahead and try this place. It's got all sorts of burgers. They have a very special burger that I'm gonna try. It's just the COVID-19 vaccine burger. I'm gonna go ahead and order that real quick and we'll give you our review. Here at the TNT Burger, I'm going to go ahead and order, and I am going to get the COVID-19 burger.
Okay, good. You want fries on the side?
Yes, fries.
Okay, good. Any drink you like?
Do you guys have manzana?
Yes, we do.
All right, I'll take a manzana. Manzana is a an apple soda drink it's a Colombian drink. So, all right, we're just sitting down here. We just ordered our food. I got the COVID-19 vaccine burger, and Kenny ended up getting with
the giant hot dog. I forgot the name of it already.
You got the giant hot dog. There you go. Here's the giant hot dog.
There we go. Thank you.
Go ahead and show us what you got.
All right. Well, I got, what's this burger?
The nitro hot dog.
Nitro hot dog. It comes with melted cheese, bacon, chicken. These are quail eggs that it has. It has pico inside and fries, and it's 100% Argentinian beef hot dog. And now check it out.
Houston burger.
Alright, COVID-19 vaccine burger. Alright, everybody, we just got our burger. This is the COVID-19 vaccine burger. It's got big syringe, which I guess this is the vaccine right here. It's basically got what Colombians call salsa rosada or pink sauce. Puerto Ricans call it maducachu, which is just mayonnaise and ketchup. So we're gonna go ahead and inject that in there. But it's also got lettuce, tomato, an onion ring, bacon, the Angus cheese. Melted cheddar cheese, the Angus beef, and your buns. The French fries have
seasoned fries.
The seasoned fries seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and
let's bite it. Let's jump in and see what it tastes like.
I'm gonna go ahead and inject this real quick. It's oozing all over the place. I don't know if you can see that all the stuff that I just squeezed in there has now spilled all over. So let's go ahead and try it. I don't think I can open my mouth big enough for this thing. There you go.
Also, how is it? What's the taste?
The taste is wonderful. Man, that is a flame broiled. Is this thing flame broiled? I don't even know, but it tastes flame broiled. It's really good.
The hot dog is delicious. It's very tasty. Once again.
So they also comes with little sauces. La salsa rosada, the pink sauce, which is mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together. This looks like garlic sauce and ranch or something like that. So you can dip your French fries in it. Now this place opens from Thursday to Sunday from 5 p.m. all the way to 11 p.m. On Saturdays they open a little bit earlier from 4 to 11. I'll go ahead and put the address on the screen. That way you guys can, if you guys are ever here in Tampa on Del Mabry, you guys can check it out.
They also have online orders. You can order online and then come by and pick it up if you don't want to sit here and eat. It's a nice place to sit in. I'm sure that summertime might be a little hot, but I see they got fans and for heaters for winter. So it's a nice little place. My hot dog was the best hot dog I've ever had, I think. And I've been to Chicago, so.
I have not been to Chicago, but I've never seen a hot dog like that with quail eggs. It has cheese, bacon, it even has corn in it.
It's delicious. And it's a double hot dog. It had 2 hot dogs in there. So, great.
Hey everybody, so we have the owner here of TNT Burger. She's gonna go give us some words about her Instagram page and her social medias. So go ahead.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. So if you got Instagram or Facebook, go ahead and follow us on TNT Burger Tampa. Check out our videos. They are all amazing videos on Instagram, Facebook, and thank you so much for coming.
All right.
You guys enjoy our videos.
Thank you very much. All right, so that was the owner who giving us a shout out and a little bit of information on her Instagram. You can follow her on Instagram, follow her on TikTok, TNT Burgers and all that.
All right, guys, we are done eating. Everything was delicious. The atmosphere was great. It's just a great place to be at. And hopefully we could come back and try another burger, the Golden Burger.
Yeah, they have a golden burger. I want to come back to try it. It looks awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can post some pictures on this video for it. But don't forget to hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.